Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use overlays and CapCut. So, let's head over to our CapCut app, shall we? Alright. Now we are in our CapCut app. So let's just start out by clicking on new project so I can show you. I'm just going to choose like one of the videos that I have recorded, like this one of a school. And what overlay is basically layering when you're working like in Premiere Pro or like desktop version of like editors. That's what overlays are, and this is what I don't like about mobile versions of editors because it has some limits really. But as you can see, you can move this layer. You can even enlarge it or like make it look small. And other from that, you can also do like the blend mode by clicking on blend over here. You have all these options, and yeah, that's how overlay works basically. You can even use cutout for like green screen videos over here, but I'm not I'm not using a green screen video. But yeah, just explore all of these tools down here, and it should be quite similar when you edit on your PC. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe with it. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.